Friends, hope you all are keeping well, and today we are going to coming with you some new video regarding MCA portal. Some people are facing a lot of problem in payment of stamp duty, and I like to address their concern so that stamp duty can be paid hassle free. Friends, again I am telling you that is stamp duty in MCA portal is payable in two cases. One is your stamp duty payable on filing the form, that is MOA, AOA, SS7, FC1, generally relating to incorporation of company. The another one is stamp duty is payable in case of a person need a certified true copy of the document. Friends, generally on uploading the form, two SRNs are generated. One is starting with F, another one starting with E. F is associated with uploading the document, E is associated with payment of stamp duty. Friends, we shall discuss with a live demo how the stamp duty has to be paid. Friends, so let us continue our discussion. I am giving you the live demo. You have to log in the MCA portal with your user ID and password. Also, you have to fill up the CAPTCHA that needs some time. So we have to fill up with all the credentials. Then we can open that MCA portal. So let us do it. Friends, now this has been opened and we are going to pay the stamp duty. I have clicked on pay stamp duty. I am giving that SRN number. This is a particular case and SRN number is giving. Now if we give this, you are seeing that our apologies, that means it is unsuccessful. Now we have to think of how it is successful. So we have to again go for login, right? We have to again go for login. Friends, so earlier one was unsuccessful there because we have made the entry in the stamp duty payment. So we have to again log in. Sometimes the login taking some time, but you have to wait. If it is showing that you have engaged with other computer, then you have to wait for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then again you have to log in and you have to again put your credentials. Go for this. Now you have to go to the option pay later. Now before going to pay later, you see that is your track SRN or transaction status, and you have to put the date over here. If you put the date wrongly, you will see the things will be not coming. So you have to put the date correctly and without any problem. So if you put now I have put the date wrongly, because people make some mistakes here, and you will see the things will not be coming. It is showing something else. Now, friends, I am telling you that you please put the date correctly from the menu given, and this particular file was uploaded on 10th of July. So 10th of July, and end date also I have given the 10th of July, and go for the submission. That two things will be coming over here. One is your paid, F wala SRN paid, E wala SRN not paid or pending for payment. Now we have the option to cancel the SRN, but don't cancel it, and we have to go for payment. Now we will go to the MCA service and go for your pay later option. In the pay later option, and in the pay later option, we will put the E wala SRN. Don't put the F wala SRN. Please put the E wala SRN, and you will see the payment option will automatically come. First we had put the SRN number in the payment of stamp duty option. It did not work. It is showing error. Then again we are going for this, and now this fees is coming. Pay fees, you have to click on the pay fees, and you have to go to the select the internet banking or debit card, etc., and you can pay the fees. Here we have paid by the internet banking, so you have to select the bank, and you have to select the bank and pay. You have to accept this, then the things will be moving to the bank portal, and if the payment will be made.